Hello and welcome back to the MarketViz YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at some updates to the MarketViz web app. Really, the focus of this web app is to help you become a better investor and learn how to look at value in a stock. So currently I have the site pulled up. This is the live site without any changes, just to take a look at what currently exists. It's kind of a more of a darker theme. But let me go ahead and show you what we have planned. This update is coming actually today, December 12th, so it should be live momentarily. Now, we can see immediately we have a bit of a lighter theme, and let's go ahead and look at some of the updates that have been made. All right, off the bat, we now have exchanges shown on the top. We've got our Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell 2000, and also our VIX Volatility Index. Next, we now have our actual currency, although I'm thinking about just adding a dollar sign here. Might be a little bit visually nicer and easier to look at. In addition, we now have the actual time span that the price change refers to. And also we've got this arrow or icon that is indicating a increase or decrease in the stock price. Next, the next largest update is really to these segmentation graphs. So if we look back at the current site, we can see that, well, in this case, the revenue segmentation does go back a number of years. This has been updated. But if we look at the geographic region, we can see it's only showing the last year, 2023. So now we have our segmentation going back a number of years. So in the case of PayPal, if we can toggle these off. So if we turn this off, we can actually see the growth of PayPal in terms of revenue related to geographic region, going back to 2017 all the way up to 2023, from 7.1 billion in 2017 to 17.3 billion in 2023. Same goes for our product segmentation. We can turn this off and we can see transaction revenue. This, you can, at a glance, you can tell that this is their largest segment in terms of product revenue. This section is really just the same, just added a nice little hover state, although this information here will eventually be pulled to the top. So there will be a tab to look at key metrics. I also want to add a tab to look at a variety of financial documents, income statement, balance sheet, free cash flow. These are all clearly missing from the site currently. Next, I want to add a profile so that users can set up watch lists, get alerts with price changes, and anything really else that the community thinks of. So feel free to comment down below if you think of any enhancements you'd like to see. The next really large update that I have planned or that's in the works is, if you notice, whenever you look for a ticker, you really just see the price. You don't see anything related to the, time ranges going back a week or a couple days. And so that is really a missing component, key component. And so just to give an idea of what that will look like, this is a bit rough, but we can see it defaults to, let's go ahead and select 1 day. Yeah, so when this loads, it will default to the current day. So you'll see the actual time span below. It's a little bit cut off right now, but if we scroll down, we see the actual, it's actually the reverse. So this will be reverse, where it will start at 9:30 or 9 a.m. when the market opens and then go up until market close. We can also see our range for 5 days. We can go back a month, and we also get the total change in dollar amount and also percentage. So these are just some of the updates coming. As always, feel free to comment down below for any features or enhancements you'd like to see. And as always, I thank you for your time.